Nicaragua's request has no basis in law or fact. There are no legal reasons to justify the requested provisional measures. Germany has neither violated the Genocide Convention nor international humanitarian law, neither directly nor indirectly.
Germany says it's appearing before the International Court of Justice to set the record straight. It has rejected Nicaragua's argument, saying it's not complicit in the gross violation of Palestinians' rights in Gaza.
We stand by Israel's right to security and to self-defense, while insisting upon its limits being scrupulously respected. We've done our utmost to use our political leverage to ensure respect for international humanitarian law. We continue to do our utmost to respect our own responsibilities deriving from international humanitarian law and the Genocide Convention. We've done our utmost and more than many to provide humanitarian assistance to the Palestinian people in Gaza.
Nicaragua, though, says Germany should stop supplying weapons to Israel.
Nicaragua respectfully requests the court, as a matter of extreme urgency, pending the court's determination of this case and the merits, and after recalling to the parties the obligation of compliance with humanitarian law, as well as of the obligation of cooperation to bring to an end all serious breaches of peremptory norms of international law, to indicate the following provisional measures with respect to Germany and its participation in the ongoing plausible genocide and serious breaches of international humanitarian law and other peremptory norms of general international law occurring in the Gaza Strip, as well as in other parts of Palestine. Namely, to order that 1. Germany must immediately suspend its aid to Israel, in particular its military assistance, export, and authorization of export of military equipment and war weapons, insofar as this aid is used or could be used to commit or to facilitate serious violations of the Genocide Convention, international humanitarian law, or other peremptory norms of general international law.
Germany has responded, saying its military aid to Israel is subject to strict regulations.
This is a robust framework. All German exports of military technology and equipment to Israel are subject to strict licensing requirements. Among these, German law distinguishes between two categories: war weapons, Kriegswaffen, and other military equipment, sonstige Rüstungsgüter in the original German. War weapons comprise, for example, combat aircraft or tanks, but also automatic weapons and certain corresponding ammunition and essential components. These war weapons require 2 licenses before export, under the War Weapons Control Act and under the Foreign Trade and Payments Act. The other category, other military equipment, is broad. It goes much beyond weaponry in the usual sense. It includes, for example, defense equipment against chemical hazards, protective gear such as helmets or body protection plates, communication equipment, camouflage paint, and components, parts, and other equipment of a subordinate character. Outside standardized categories for routine deliveries, not only war weapons, but also all other military equipment under German law requires an individual license for export.
Berlin has further rejected Nicaragua's accusation that its plans to defund Palestinian refugee agency UNRWA and that has crippled the organization's operation in Gaza. Germany says it has resumed funding the agency. It's now up to the World Court to make a verdict on whether Nicaragua will be granted provisional measures. Khalihle Khumalo, SABC News, Johannesburg.